another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix music on Facebook Story. So let's get started right away. So let's go ahead and open up our Facebook app, and then let's just select the Create a Story option here. And then, as you can see, there is the music option at the top, and now I can click on music, and then it shows me a bunch of popular songs, or I could just click browse to select a song from a specific category and then add that to my Facebook story. And somehow if this isn't working correctly, or perhaps you see this and yet you click on this and it does not always show you the actual song, then I'll show you two main things that you can try to make sure it's working again. So the very first thing you need to do is exit out of here and go to your Google Play Store. And then we can just tap on the search bar up top and then just search for Facebook. And what you'll want to keep in mind here is that if this shows open, it's fully updated. If it shows update here, it's just not updated. So you'll need to make sure to update Facebook and you'll have the latest and greatest features that Facebook offers, and also that you have it all readily accessible to listen to music. So always make sure you are using the latest version of the app. If it doesn't work, go to Settings and scroll down to Apps. Then select that. Then press on the search bar at the top and type in Facebook. And then select Storage. And then clear the app data, which will reset the system files within the Facebook app. So if there had been an issue stopping you from just being able to add music to your story, this will fix it. And then go back to permissions and allow all of them. And after that, your music should just work fine. I hope one of those things helped to solve your issue. If it did, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.